Hello everyone and welcome to today's lesson. Today I'm going to show you how to download and install Zoom on your Windows machine. Particularly I'm using Windows 10 and I want to use any of these browsers here. You can use Microsoft Edge, you can use Mozilla Firefox, you can use Google Chrome, you can use Opera browser. Let's open with the Google Chrome or any of your choice. Then you search for Zoom, press enter on your keyboard. You can click on download here or alternatively go to the website, but let's use the shortcut here. Click on download to open this Zoom website. So you choose the first download option here. You click download, it will download the Zoom setup. So it has finished, it's down here. You can click on this file directly for it to start installing. So you give it time, it has already started installing. Finish installing 91%. Give it time, give it a few seconds to initialize. Automatically it will pop up on the screen. From here you can join a meeting if you have a meeting ID and put your name down there, or you can sign in if you want to create a meeting and invite attendees. Now after installing, you can choose to have a shortcut on your desktop. And how do you do it? Go to start button here, right click on Zoom, you go to more, you select open file location, you right click on Zoom here, then you send it to your desktop as a shortcut. So you send to desktop, create shortcut, and that's all. You close here, so you have your shortcut on the desktop. So the next time you have a meeting, you simply come and double click on your Zoom icon on your desktop. Thank you for watching.